In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Conversation View in Outlook. If your inbox ever feels cluttered with back and forth replies, Conversation View can tidy things up by grouping related messages into a single thread. This makes it easier to follow context. See the latest reply at a glance and keep your folders streamlined. Let's start with the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. Open Outlook and navigate to any mail folder, like your inbox. At the top, click the View tab. Here, select Conversations to turn on threaded messages. Next, look for Message List and choose Group into Conversations. Once that's on, your messages will be organized by thread. You'll notice each conversation collapses into a single line. So you are not scrolling past every reply individually. When you want to see the full thread, expand it to view each message in order. This layout is great for staying focused on the most recent activity while still keeping the full history within reach. If you are switching from a non-threaded view, give yourself a moment to adjust. The subject line becomes the anchor for the whole conversation, and the latest reply often floats to the top of that group. Now, if you are using Classic Outlook, the steps look slightly different. Open Classic Outlook and go to any folder where you want this view applied. Click the View tab in the ribbon. In the Messages group, click Show as Conversations. You'll be prompted to choose whether to apply it to just this folder or all mailboxes. If you are trying this for the first time, selecting this folder is a safe way to see how you like it before rolling it out everywhere. Once enabled, your emails will group into threads just like in the newer experience. To fine-tune how conversations are displayed in Classic Outlook, click Conversation Settings on the View tab. Here you can adjust options such as showing messages from other folders, which pulls related items from places like Sent Items into the thread, and showing senders above the subject, which can make it quicker to spot who replied most recently. These settings don't add extra steps to your workflow. They simply change how information appears, so pick what feels most intuitive to you. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.